Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna get something like this. This is even for the boat, for anything.
You're going out to go fishing.
Because it folds up really small, right?
Yeah, it just folds up like
you keep it in the back of your car.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna get something just like this. So I'm gonna get a kayak too.
See, without all the stuff on it, it's so much easier to pull.
It would have been a real nice day to take the boat out. But honestly, I just didn't feel like going all the way out west to go get my boat and come back out east. When I already live out east, and my brother was just gonna drive over here with the kayak. Just gotta put the seats in, then we'll be on our way. It actually just feels good to be out in the sun and not inside my house sitting on a computer.
Turn it to the left. It's a little hard. Don't be like too rough on it though. I try not to like bash it.
Dry storage.
And I'm putting this on it. If you're gonna paddle with me, Nick, please do the same stroke as me. Yeah.
Do whatever.
Nice and smooth. Don't have to take any type of pressure. I'll kind of follow you. Over to the right. Over.
We're getting up close and personal with the big boats today. And let me just drop this down. We're gonna be throwing jig heads, little paddle tails, 4-inch paddle tails, with 1/8 ounce jig heads. We're just gonna throw them in between the boats and the docks and just see if we can get like a snook, or most likely a big jack or a barracuda is what I get more often. Because I just think that's what's in this area more. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get right in between these two big ones. Yeah, right in between these two big ones. How's it going?
It's a lot more sturdier than this one.
Yeah, it's a pretty good kayak. These people, they own these houses and they don't even use the dock space, a lot of them, because some of them don't have boats. And then they just get these like really rich people to dock their boats behind their house. And they get like $1,000 a month for it. All right. This is where I was fishing yesterday and where I got bit off. Right here, along that gate right there. Stay right here, because this is all good right here. Well, you can't be casting into the open like that. You gotta cast, around that. I think we gotta just keep moving and going under all the docks and along the seawalls, like over here and stuff. Yeah. No, just steer us. Oh, hit. Stay still. Big hit. Back up. Damn, this bait is all messed up too. Hit it twice, and I set the hook and I just like pulled it right away from him. He probably didn't even have it in his mouth. It's upset because like you're out here and you're fishing, you know, and that's like just what you're waiting for. It's just a solid like hit like that, and I just ruin it. There we go. This got took again. It got took again. Oh, it got took hard. It got took real hard. It is, it's recording.
Nick, mark out.
Oh, it took my paddle off. Damn. Took my paddle tail off. Perfect, perfect. This is what we've been using. This is what's been getting hits all day. Got 4 different hits on it so far. We haven't been able to bring anything up to the boat, into the kayak.
I stand it too, maybe it'll make us more stable. Both standing.
I just felt a little tiny tug. Oh, he's following it. It's a little snapper. It was a little snapper.
Saw?
Yeah, that was a little tiny. There he goes, there he goes.
Yeah,
He was just following it.
What is eating?
Or when you start reeling it back a little bit, like, you know, like get it like a good like 5-6 feet away from the dock, they're really not gonna hit it. Got one. Got one. Really? You're on? Yep. Perfect. Tighten the drag a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, I'm letting him fight. Firing him out.
Oh, it is a snapper.
Snapper.
Wow.
Good little snapper. Hold on, get in the boat real quick. Get in the boat real quick.
Oh, he.
Get in the boat real quick. Get in the boat real quick.
Oh, he just broke off.
I told you to get him in the boat real quick.
That's what I said. I was literally gonna.
He was a good snapper though.
That was a good size. You saw him?
Damn, he broke off?
Yeah, that looks like a mangrove.
It was a mangrove.
Okay. Well, hey, I'll count that because the camera saw it all.
We don't have a net today. We forgot our net.
Yeah, we don't have a net, so
We forgot.
that's why that happened.
I told
We're gonna try to just flip them up real quick, put a new bait on, and we're gonna start fishing again. The real unfortunate thing is we were just at the end of this canal, and I turned my camera off because I went to go get my bait hooked onto a dock, so I just wanted to get it real quick and start filming. I got it off, and then I casted it right into this corner over here, and a giant, about 2.5 foot barracuda, which is like giant to us, hit my bait on top water. It splashed out the water, everything, real big hit. And then it chased my bait around for a minute after I casted it in a few times. It was just sitting up right up on top of water. It was chasing my brother's bait around. It went underneath the kayak, and then it just like swam away really fast. I guess we eventually spooked it. But that, I wish I was filming when that happened. That would have been a really
He
good.
was swimming all around the boat.
Yeah.
Circling us. He wanted to attack. I thought it was Jaws.
Yeah, it would have been nice to get him. But yeah, we're gonna fish for just a little bit longer, and we're gonna head in. It was just a good day on the kayak. Just got some sun, got some outdoors, got to be on the water.
You know, hooked up to a couple fish. Saw some monsters out there. We didn't get to hook up on. Had some interactions with some fishermen. Got some sun, fresh air. Could feel the rhythm of the water on the kayak. You wouldn't understand unless you're out here.
Ain't nothing to do with us. We ain't going fast. We aren't going fast enough.